Today, I'll be talking about why India's Tata-ASML deal changes everything. What if I told you the future of AI isn't controlled by Google, OpenAI, or Nvidia? It's controlled by a single company in the Netherlands and a handful of geopolitical decisions happening behind closed doors. And now, India just made a move that could completely shift the balance. So, what is this video about? Today, we'll be breaking down the Tata ASML partnership and why this isn't just another tech investment story. This is a geopolitical masterstroke. Because in the global chip war, the real power isn't software, it's the machines that builds the chips. Section 1. The real bottleneck, ASML. Let's start with the most important company you've probably never fully understood, ASML. ASML is the only company in the world that produces EUV lithography machines. These are the machines required to manufacture the most advanced semiconductors. So, no ASML, no cutting edge chips. No chips, no AI revolution. It's that simple. Each machine costs upwards of $150 million and contains thousands of precision components sourced globally. Now, why I personally found ASML fascinating and how I discovered it is basically through a blog post that I came across a few days ago and through a YouTube video, and I was completely invested and I went down a rabbit hole and I got to know that this is one of the biggest deals of the 21st century. So then I decided to make this video. Coming to section 2, the US invisible hand. But here's where things get even more interesting. ASML might be Dutch, but its tech stack is deeply tied to the US. Critical components, especially advanced laser systems, come from American companies. This gives the US enormous leverage. Over the past few years, they have successfully pressured ASML to stop selling its most advanced machines to China. This isn't just a policy, it's strategy. The idea is simple. If you can't design chips, fine. But if you can't manufacture them, you're out of the race entirely. Section 3. India enters the game. Now enter India. For years, we have been a massive consumer of technology. Now keep in mind, consumer of technology. But never a major manufacturer of advanced chips. That's starting to change. Tata Electronics partnering with ASML to build fabrication capabilities in Gujarat is a massive step towards entering the semiconductor value chain. And timing honestly couldn't be better. With China restricted, the world desperately needs a reliable alternative manufacturing base in Asia. India is positioning itself as that alternative. And coming to India's potential on this, we have the workforce. Although policy has to be reformed a lot, there are going to be challenges if we want to implement this on a larger scale. And the timeline realistically is probably 10 to 15 years if I had to guess. But I think we can get there. Section 4. The resource war. This story goes beyond machines. It's also about materials. In response to Western restrictions, China has tightened control over rare earth exports, including gallium and germanium. These materials are essential for semiconductor production. So, what we are seeing is a multi-layered chess game, or 5D chess. Control the machines, control production. Control materials, control supply. Control policy, control access. Every country is playing for leverage. Section 5. Now, what does this mean for the future? It means the future of AI won't just be shaped by innovation, it will be shaped by alliances, by infrastructure, by who controls physical bottlenecks. And India's entry into this space signals a shift towards a more distributed but still highly strategic global tech order. Now, to conclude, The Tata ASML deal isn't just about building FABs, it's about entering the most strategic industry on earth. Because at the end of the day, the real power in tech isn't in the code, it's in who can bring that code to life at scale. So, what do you think? Can India realistically compete with Taiwan and South Korea? Or is this still a long road ahead? Drop your thoughts below. I'd love to hear your take.